Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going over must-have gear for your day hike pack. Oh, Trek heads, welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been forever since we last spoke. Hey, so today we're going to be going over must-have gear for your day hike. I'm going to go over all the items that you certainly should have, and then I'm also going to break down my pack, let you see what's inside of it. So let's get into it. First and foremost, make sure that you have a decent sized pack for your day hike. I'd say anywhere between 21 and 35 liters should be able to fit most of the items that we're going to go over and that are in my pack. This pack right here is actually a 31 liter pack. It's a good size. I like it. It's comfortable. So going on the outside, it's got two pouches on either side that I put my water bottles in. So we'll start there. Item number one, a water bottle. I actually recommend at least 2 liters. Can't tell you how many times we've actually been out on the trail and towards the end started running out of water and had to ration it, and it just makes for a miserable day. So make sure that you have a couple of these and that you fill them up. Another couple items I don't have in my pack, I probably should get though, is a water filter or a little water filtration device, or even like some tablets. So going over the rest of it on the strap, I got a little whistle. In the event that I get stranded or stuck somewhere and don't have any cell service, I can at least use this as a signal device to alert people to my location. Going into my top pouch right here, it's just a little bitty pouch. I keep my sunglasses and most of the time my phone, but I'm using my phone to record right now, so that's what goes up there. Quick and easy to access should I need them. Going into my big pouch, I got my hoodie in case it gets cold. Weather changes on you and it's always good to be prepared. Today's a little nice and warm, but hey, I still pack it. I keep it in there. Toilet paper, probably my number one favorite item in my pack because that'll come out of nowhere. So that's I got that in my big pack. I got my tactical Gerber knife I keep down there too. This is actually empty. A lot of the times though, this is what I take for snacks. So in here I just, I keep a lighter and some chapstick. Just a way to keep track of them because they're the little items in my bag. Other than that, I don't have it in here right now, but if I am like going on a longer day hike, that's where I'm going to keep all my snacks, my food in this bigger pouch right here. And then moving to the pouch right in front of that is a little bit smaller. This is where I keep a good chunk of all my stuff. I got a portable charger in case my phone dies and I need to use my GPS or contact somebody in the event of that I actually have cell service. I got some 550 or paracord I keep in there. Maybe I get stuck out overnight. Trip turns out to be a little longer than I expected it to be. I can use this to help make some sort of shelter. And then I also keep my compass in there, because if your phone goes out, GPS is dead, at least you got the compass. Normally if I'm going out, I'll have a map of that particular area, a paper copy of the map. But I also just reviewed an app that it has downloadable map features in it. You can check that out. I'll go ahead and put that up there. It's called Komoot. I actually like that a lot. You can use it offline and it has voice navigation, so I don't have to carry my phone around. I can just leave it up in this top pouch and it'll talk to me and help me stay on the trail. Then I got my neck gaiter. It's nice, gets cold, keep my neck and my ears warm. If it's dusty outside, keep the dust from going in my face. Pretty handy little tool and good for all weather. Also have a extra pair of drawers in case mine get wet. If it rains, I don't want to be walking around getting all chafed and everything with a wet pair of drawers. I also have a spare pair of socks. So your legs and your feet are very important. I like to keep my feet dry because that's how blisters happen. So if my feet happen to get wet, spare change of socks right here. Too easy, and I'm so comfortable. Then I got another little pouch right here. This is where I keep my headlamp in case, again, like I said, I'm out after dark. I can at least find my way around and not stumble. You can also use a headlamp for attracting people, communicating, alerting people that you're in distress. I also keep my Gerber in here in case something breaks, straps break, zippers break. I need to, you know, cut stuff. I think it's got like a little saw in here, a knife. You know, it's a basic little Gerber, but good tool to have. All right, and then going into this is my emergency pouch. This is where I keep my first aid kit right here. Make sure you have one, make sure it's not expired. We hope stuff like this never happens, but in the event that something does happen, we're prepared and we know that we can actually use it. So always make sure that you have some sort of first aid kit in your bag and it's up to date. I also have a high visibility vest in the event that I get lost, stranded, or, you know, I have to be rescued. I have this, help people see me, identify me. So yeah, just think about those worst case scenarios and you can plan for that. I'm a fair-skinned individual, so I also keep sunscreen in my bag and I lather myself up with it. Yeah, I get sunburnt really easy. So this is next to the toilet paper, this is probably my second most used, or let's not say most used. I don't go to the bathroom that much on the trail, but favorite item in my bag. Other than that, I did put together a list. You can check it out. It's a downloadable PDF. You can get it off the website, or I'll leave the link down in the description to it. It's pretty good. It's basic. Obviously you can add stuff to it. I wouldn't take anything away. It's definitely, if you're going to go out on a longer hike, I would recommend all the items that are going to be on that list. We can even probably post it right here. So check that out. You can go over to thetrekheads.com and we'll have it up there somewhere. But that's really that's it. That's about it. But what do you have in your bag? Do you have a standard loadout that you carry? Do you have different bags for different types of hikes? Let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. And that's all I got. See you next Sunday.